So I remember this one day, the first lecture of grade 11. The teacher starts with the chapter units and dimensions, and I just froze. People were answering in the chat, and I was sitting there like, did I miss any secret class needed for this lesson? That was the moment I realized the importance of doing a bridge course after class 10. In this video, I'm not going to throw random tips at you. I'll tell you exactly what I did during my bridge course for physics, chemistry, and math, what worked, what didn't, and how I made it stick without burning out. Let's start with the subject that needs your attention the most, physics. Class 11 physics is on another level. Concepts go deep and the math gets heavier. So I didn't dive into the new books immediately. Instead, I revisited my basics from class 9 and 10. I made a fresh set of notes, only key formulas, definitions, and laws. Lessons like motion, force, work, power, energy, light, and sound. Just imagine trying to understand vectors when you are not even confident in how speed and velocity differ. Also, recollecting these chapters and concepts made me better in units, which is the first lesson in class 11. Another thing which will help a lot is practicing and reading graphs like speed time, distance time, and especially voltage current graphs from electricity. These come again and again, not just in theory but in numericals and MCQs too. Whenever I felt difficult to understand a concept, I watched animated videos and other visuals, which helps me in understanding how the concept is applied in real life. The practical application videos on Manocha Academy's channel help me relate concepts to real life very well. Now, chemistry. At first it felt chill, like yeah, I got this. But then it hits you. Atomic number, valency, mass number, and suddenly I was not sure if it's nitrate, nitrite, or nitride. So here's what I did. I memorized the atomic numbers, mass numbers, and the atomic mass of some important elements, and I practiced electronic configurations and learned how naming compounds actually works. The nomenclature of carbon compounds is yet another important important topic in class 11. Watching the Physics Wala Bridge course helped a lot with periodic table and other important basic concepts of chemistry. I also made cheat sheets for valency of cations and anions and stuck them on my wall because trust me, seeing it daily builds memory passively. Let's talk about math, the backbone of physics and chemistry. Most bridge courses taught algebraic identities, which I did too. But I went a little further. I learned Vedic math tricks for fast calculations, like multiplying two-digit numbers mentally and division of large numbers quickly and squaring numbers. I also memorized square tables up to 30 and cube tables till 20. It sounds boring, but it's a superpower when you are in a timed test. This helps massively in solving numerical physics problems and balancing chemical equations. Now, here's the thing no one talks about, your mindset during the bridge course. Most people rush through the basics just to feel ready for class 11, but that's the trap. I took my time. I didn't even open the class 11 textbooks at first. Instead, I made a list called Still Not Clear, things where I was only 80% confident. Those became my first focus. And one genius move, I turned my wall into a learning zone. I pasted important formulas, laws, naming tricks, and short summaries which I used to forget easily. It's the best passive revision trick. So that's how I bridged the gap, not by studying more but by studying smarter. Remember, class 11 is not a race, it's a build-up. Start strong and it gets easier.